Wow, ang ganda nito, oh. Yung green. Go, follow Dada.
You wanna play it?
Wow, Isabel's happy
You wanna play
place.
this?
Do you like it here? Wow, there's some music. There's some music, baby. Come on, let's play.
No, you touch the green one. The green one. Not the red one. Dada touch the red one. Yeah, me too. You too. Tap it. No, that's Dada. That's green. Dada's. The red one.
Go! Yay!
What I'm doing?
Sliding. Oh, go on stairs again. Stairs. Yay!
What I'm doing?
Sliding. Yahoo!
Da, 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 da.
Cooking pasta for dinner. And this is Isabel's veggies. Kailangan samahan.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Mama is just laughing, but Mama is scared.
Oh, yung zipline, ang taas.
Oo, hanggang ano yan? Hanggang Auckland yan.
Zoom mo.
Where I'm going?
We're going up. You see there? You see the top of the mountain?
Where I'm going?
We're going
Going
up
up.
there.
You want it right now? Okay, let's go to the cafe.
What? They're gonna find it first, and they're gonna return it there.
Your destination is on
We
the
are
left.
in Antarctic Centre. It's inside.
What are doing?
They need to run because there's a snowstorm coming.
Where's my hat?
Inalhan taman sa tigang. Hello, Norna.
You can touch it. It's not cold. See?
Is that what though?
Yeah, there's a light there. Oh, let's go. Let's go. See? We're going out. Follow the light. Ooh. Follow the light. And we're outside now.
This is what makes these dogs so clever. Most people say, gee, they're a dumb dog, they don't heal.
What am I doing to Bunny?
What are you doing to Bunny?
So, ito, kailangan po siyang nakababa kapag nakapark. And once na aalis na, kailangan po siyang ipasok doon para hindi makaka-aksidente.
Ayan. Let's show the stove. Make sure lang po na naka-on yung switch kapag nagluluto. And we have all the switches here. As you can see, the water pump, water heater, range hood. Kailangan naka-off po yan pag hindi ginagamit. The sink.
And this one.
Yeah, this one. We have the fridge. Let's open the fridge. Yes. We have the fridge. Napaka-spacious ng fridge natin. We have the microwave too. And marami po tayong storage. Yan. toilet and bath. Ayan, meron yung shower, ito yung toilet. Ayan, and they provided panglinis dun sa gilid. Ayan. And another thing, ito po yung storage ng table, saka nung mattress. May mga hangers na pwedeng magamit. And this one, they provided bread toaster and a kettle, electric kettle. This is a heater, kung kailangan namin. And ito po is double deck. And, meron tayong ladder. Si Dada po ang natutulog dito at kami naman ni Baby sa baba. So,
We got these
up again.
and this one.
And then sa umaga, nilalagay namin yung mga unan at kumot sa taas. And then, we will put the table here. So, dito kami kumakain on daytime. Our seats, 4 seats. Dito na nakaupo si Isabel. And there's another storage here. And storage on the top.
I'm storage outside.
Oh, your storage also outside. Oh, we'll show outside naman. May storage din po dito.
Yes!
So, maraming pwedeng malagay. Ayan. Dito nilalagay yung water na ginagamit natin sa loob. So, nire-refill po yan palagi. And this is,
Shells.
oh, come on here.
And the bell backwards.
Okay. So, we have the storage here for the chairs.
Shells. And
Camping chairs.
shells. But I'm screaming because Dad, I want to ride home.
Meron din pong bike rack na
Let's
pwede magamit kapag mahilig kayo mag-bike.
So this is more.
This is the waste hose. So kapag dadump na po tayo ng waste water,
So much sugar.
and this one is, it's always, make sure that it's always locked. This is the, what's this, mahal?
Hose for
Hose for,
sa tubig, and then waste hose, and then yung ano din power outlet.
and this is for the LPG. So, buksan natin. Yan. Make sure na kapag tatakbo na po tayo, make sure na naka-off to at nakasara. Baby, come on, come on. Okay. And let's lock it again. And this one is the
Toilet cassette.
toilet cassette. So kapag magdadump na po ng mga dumi. Power outlet. Kapag, so
Nasa Holiday Park.
nasa Holiday Park po kami. So
Mag-
may access po kami sa electricity.
Pag powered site.
And this is
Powered site. So ipa-plug lang namin yan dyan. And then, we're good na.